Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich for a diet. To begin, select whole wheat bread, which offers more fiber and nutrients than white bread. For your protein, use 1 or 2 large eggs, providing about 6 grams of protein per egg. Enhance your sandwich with fresh vegetables such as spinach, sliced tomatoes, or crisp lettuce for essential vitamins and a satisfying crunch. This foundation ensures a nutritious and filling meal. Next, let's prepare your eggs healthily. Boiling or poaching are excellent methods, as they require no added oils or butter, keeping your calorie count low. If you prefer scrambled eggs, whisk them with a splash of water or skim milk to achieve a light, fluffy texture without extra fat. Ensure your eggs are cooked thoroughly, with firm whites and set yolks for both safety and optimal taste. Now, let's assemble your delicious and diet-friendly sandwich. Instead of high-fat mayonnaise, spread a thin layer of mashed avocado or hummus for healthy fats and creamy texture. Consider adding 1 slice of low-fat cheese, which provides about 70 calories and 6 grams of protein, along with calcium. Carefully layer your perfectly cooked eggs and fresh vegetables onto 1 slice of bread, then top with the other. Finally, personalize your egg sandwich to keep your diet exciting. Experiment with various spices such as black pepper, red pepper flakes, or paprika to enhance the flavor without adding calories. For an extra protein boost, you might include 1 or 2 slices of lean turkey bacon. Preparing your ingredients, like boiling eggs or chopping vegetables, ahead of time makes assembling this healthy meal quick and effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.